The Michelin Green X Challenge is a competition within each race that is designed to provide an incentive for manufacturers and teams to bring innovative technologies to the racetrack that can be developed on the racetrack and then applied back to their production cars.
The tires we're going to be using this year are made with new, greener materials, by the way.
Michelin has unique technical capabilities to achieve multiple conflicting objectives. In our tire development, obvious considerations are lateral grip, durability, tire life, but one of the factors included is rolling resistance, and oftentimes that conflicts with the other requirements, but through the development process Michelin has and the testing that we do, we're able to achieve rolling resistance targets that improve our competitiveness in the green challenge, make our car more green, and also have a fundamental performance advantage of increasing top speed.
All right, what we have here is upright front suspension for the Corvette here, and these have ceramic wheel bearings in it. We also had, in the older days, we had regular bearings like you would have in your street car. And what this does is it allows the car to have less drag. You can actually push the car easier. So let's just say we have 500 horsepower, and now we change these wheel bearings. Before we could go 175 miles an hour, and now we can go 178 miles an hour. We can go farther on the same 500 horsepower. It helps on the fuel mileage because we're going farther and faster. They're really durable. They last for 10,000 miles roughly on a race car, which is unheard of. It saves us money in the long run.
Mobil 1 has supported us through all of our development process, whether we're talking about driveline or powertrain requirements, working with the guys in on the engine dyno, and we've been able to achieve significant friction reduction, using lower viscosity products and meet the durability requirements to compete for 24 hours. In the end, I think this gives us a considerable advantage in energy utilization and makes us a greener car.
Here at Corvette Racing, we use carbon fiber doors. In the production car, they're starting to use more carbon fiber. There's carbon fiber hoods and fenders. Just for instance, a street car door might weigh 50 pounds, where this one is only 10 or 15 pounds. And this is the way of the future. The cars are going to be lighter. They'll be able to be more fuel efficient. A couple other things that we're doing is we run air conditioning on this car. When we first started, it was about 5 horsepower to run the air conditioning. And for instance, in your old station wagon, it took 10 or 12 horsepower. In this car now, it takes 1.8 horsepower to cool the cab. These are the headlights we use at Corvette Racing, and they're HID headlight bulbs. They're very bright, but they take roughly half the power to run as your old conventional, headlight bulbs that you'd run in your street car, where they would take 4 or 5 amps to run. These take 2. They're very efficient, very bright, roughly 50% brighter than your street car.
Staying with the form follows function philosophy, the guys come up with great looking vehicles that also are very low drag. Racing's always been a valuable development arena for new technology and innovation. The Green Challenge recognizes that racing can fill that role for environmental and energy technology as well.
So winning that Green X Challenge is very, very important. It's important not only just for Corvette team, but transcends that into GM as a corporation.